Hello viewers, another air raid siren in Los Angeles. This is Siren 196. It's a flattened birdhouse. It's on Colorado Boulevard and Monte Bonto here in Eagle Rock, California. There's a map where I'm at. This one, so flattened birdhouse, 196. And the electric, this power pole over here, it runs electric to it. So there's a wire to the pole, and at the insulators it looks like it's connected. From here it looks, I don't see the wires cut. This one might work. This one might actually be connected. It's hard to tell up close, so. Anyway, there you go. Siren 196, flattened birdhouse here in Eagle Rock, California. And this one might be hooked up. All right, thanks for watching.